Someone's gotta stop Doom. I mean, Dooms. I hope there's only two.
He'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Your powers of stealth would make you an excellent assassin.
I've been told that before, but that kind of violence isn't really my style.
If you came from my world, you would have little choice.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I put some pep in my step.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks. I suck.
Back in the swing of things.
Stay away from the nest.
That's the problem. But also I feel more comfortable.
Spiders all smashed.
The symbiote Spider-Man returns!
I like the cold.
I put some pep in my step. In another timeline, we're still friends.
Almost there. The center of the Spider-Verse itself. They made it halfway! Stop them! Better stop that vehicle! That one hurts.
I'm Hulk.
The symbiote Spider-Man returns!
There's still a chance to stop them! You need me. All roads lead to the center of the...
Woohoo! No webs
You're almost
needed!
to reach the shrine. Let's get this show on the road.
Now I gotcha! There's an unk! Unk's taken care of.
I'm
They hit a checkpoint. Might be a good time to stop them.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Once I get you stuck, game over.
punch out.
I suck.
Next stop, the Shrine of the Weaver. All aboard! Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Feeling good.
Another bomb. I'm hulking out.
I like the cold.
Oh, I hate this part.
Need some help.
Yeah.
Now Hulk mad.
Got your back.
It's the grand finale.
Look out, bad guy.
Stage.
We will assist you, little spider.
Better stop that vehicle. A nice deep freeze. They made it halfway. Stop them. What should I do for an encore?
Oh, I hate this part.
A nice deep freeze.
Yeah, woo!
Don't like bombs.
The enemy has arrived.
The moon haunts you.
That one hurts. What do I do for an encore?
Nice. That's the problem. I hate this part. Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man.
Double kill!
Once I get you stuck, game over.
That's 3!
Woohoo! No webs needed.
A disappearing There's still a chance to
You're headed
stop them!
straight for the Shrine of the Weaver. I put some pep in my step. Partners like the old days.
Gotta stop that vehicle! A nice deep freeze. They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. We should destroy these oaks.
Unk's taken care of.
It's the grand finale. Better stop that vehicle.
I'm Hulky out!
I don't have to be center stage.
I'm a shield!
A nice deep
Tense,
freeze.
huh? Okay, let's try it. Partners like the old days.
Stop them!
Better than Aunt May's chicken soup.
Another bomb!
I suck.
Yeah.
I'm hurt.
Unk's taken care of.
Behind you.
The moon haunts you! Now, Hulk mad! I'm Hulky out!
The symbiote Spider-Man.
Inch. Or a
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man.
One spider!
better stop that vehicle. Another epic victory. Big win. Go in the speed of sound. I know that we'll rebound. Just wait, you'll see a world of endless possibilities. Oh, let's run